Hello everybody, it is Pam from That Yarny Goodness, and it is currently Sunday, November 27th. So I realized that Vlogmas was coming up, and I didn't know if I wanted to do Vlogmas or not. If I do, it's not going to be the traditional everyday kind of thing. That takes a lot of work that I really don't have time for, unfortunately, as much as I would love to be able to do it. But I think I might incorporate at least one more video. I know that I shorted you guys a video last week with peak season coming at work. For all of my new viewers, I work at Amazon, so it does take up quite a bit of my time. And so with peak season here and all of that, and it's gift season, making gifts and knitting and crocheting, what I do, I want to try to do at least a weekly video. I want to do at least like my regular video, my podcast, then at least, I don't know, I might do two videos a week for the Vlogmas just to try it out. I don't know how regular I will be with it, but if that's something that you want to see, then like and subscribe down below. I do have to work for a few hours tomorrow, but then I'm going to come home and do my podcast normally, like I normally would, and maybe do some editing, maybe not, who knows, depends on how I feel. But that's about it. I do want to give a shout out. My dad sent me a ring light so that none of my videos would be as dark as they were before. So I did want to shout that out. So everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Give me some ideas of things that you'd like to see. I do want to start doing some tutorials on crocheting, and I did find, this is just going to be a chit-chatty kind of thing. I'm not going to do any editing. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to post it up and be done with it. But I am going to look and see this website that I found that like really is good at breaking down, and of course I don't have it on here. Of course not, because I need it on my phone and not on my tablet that I'm using to record on. It's about terminology, crochet terminology, and she really broke everything down really good and what they mean. And I can't even think of, there it is, I found it. I found the blog. It's Kristen Holloway Designs. I will do that. I will link the article that I found. But it really, she breaks down what all the crochet stitches mean, breaking down how to read patterns, just all kinds. There's like 6 different videos that I can do out of just this one blog. It's how to read a crochet pattern, terms explained for beginners. And so, I mean, she goes into making sure to read through the pattern before you start, the anatomy of a crochet stitch, common used crochet terms, their symbols and meanings, their abbreviations, how to read crochet patterns, the parentheses and brackets, the difference between US and UK, because that does make a difference, because a US single crochet is a slip stitch in UK terms. So there's those, and then let me see here. I'm trying to scan down here. She talks about how commas are your friends, what commas in there means, the different breakdown of beginner, easy, intermediate, advanced patterns. It's a very, very informative, blog. I did send her an email hoping that I would hear back from her. I sent it, I think it was last Sunday, because I was wanting to, might have been a Saturday, a week ago. I was wanting to do start breaking it down last week, and I didn't hear from her, so I thought I'd give her a week, and I still haven't heard back from her about that. But it is free on her blog, and I will make sure to give her credit for it, and link the blog on here so that you can go to it, you can read it, you can reference back to it, bookmark it, do everything that you need to do for it. But yeah, it goes through all kinds of the different things, and then I will actually video me doing the stitches, showing you how to do stitches. We'll go over single crochets and double crochets, half double crochets, treble crochets, puff stitches, shell stitches, and I will make videos for that. So I've got it broken down, so maybe I'll do those for vlogmas, because those might not need a lot of editing. Who knows? But my whole thing is that if I have to edit, I'm not knitting. And I love knitting and I love crocheting. Those are my two loves. I take stuff with me in the car whenever I go. So, but anyways, I've chit-chatted along here. I am working for a few hours tomorrow, like I said, and I'm going to come home and do up a video. I've got a little bit. I don't think I have anything finished. I've started a few, but I haven't finished anything, I don't think. So I think that's all I've got for you. I will chit-chat with you tomorrow. I don't know. I might release it. It depends on what it looks like. I might go ahead and release it because it was supposed to be for last week. And then I will work on getting a tutorial. My words, it's late and that. So, and then I'll work at getting a tutorial put up this week for you as well. So, hope everything went well. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. And let me know if you guys want to see vlogmas videos. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.